Good morning, Tenerife. Fantastic weather we're having here in Tenerife just now, but I am here to review the Flamingo Suites, the boutique hotel in the prime centre of Costa Adeje, right next to the Porticolon, right next to Playa Pinta Beach. Fantastic location, lots of bars and restaurants in this area. Absolutely fantastic, honestly it is. I'm going to show you about this hotel. At the very end I'm going to show you the room and the huge balcony that we have in our room. This is probably the best apartments that I've stayed in Tenerife since I've been coming here. It is quite expensive. I got a good deal in here for 3 nights, so let's go and check it out. So welcome to the Flamingo Suites. Let's have a wee look around. First thing you're going to notice as soon as you enter this hotel is the pool. But before we have a look at that, we're going to talk about the stairs. Now you probably noticed me walking upstairs there. This hotel is not disabled friendly. If you're in a wheelchair, this apartment hotel is not for you. I do apologise for that. I have mentioned it to the hotel, but because it's an old hotel and the location, they cannot adapt to wheelchair people, make it wheelchair friendly. There's no side entrance whatsoever as well, and you probably notice as well that they do require a step to get into some of the apartments, and some of the apartments are at the top as well, up here, so they do require some mobility movement to get into your apartment block. But look at this pool, look at this pool. It's a heated pool, absolutely fantastic. It's very deep. There's no shallow end, but you do have a section over here which is shallow. That's a fantastic area. There's only about 18 rooms in this place, and it is very boutique, I can tell you that. Very boutique. Look at the flowers, absolutely well maintained, gorgeous. The sunbeds as well are fantastic. As you can see here, the rooms, there's top and bottom. Some of them are like a royal suite. I think this one here is a royal suite, so up and down, and you can see all the sunbeds. There's not many, and that's how big this place is, and they're very comfortable, I can tell you that. Well maintained. It's just beautiful. We're staying up there, and I will show you the room very soon. I'll show you the balcony as well, because the balcony is amazing. However, it does come to a downside. There is a downside to this, but we're going to take a wander around. It's absolutely beautiful. There's no bar or anything like that. It is apartments, so you can bring your own drink, stuff like that. The pool, it's magnificent. I think everybody comes for the pool. The sun though, you probably notice, we're about 10:30 in the morning just now. The sun's not fully out, half the pool's covered, half is in shade. It does get sunlight throughout the whole place, however it will eventually be shaded for the most of the day. I think you get about 3.5 hours of sun, and then the rest is shaded throughout the day. It is a small boutique place. If I just pan around here, you can see how many apartment blocks there are, but don't let that put you off. So this is your reception area. When you're checking in, you check in here. You've got some sofas here. If you're checking out, you can relax here until your transport arrives, or you can just sit here and chilled. It's a small area. As I say, it's quite a boutique hotel, very small. And we're going to head up to the bar now. I'm going to show you the bar upstairs. It's closed just now. We've got some nice views up there. So as soon as you enter the second floor, the bar is here. Now I've been here 3 nights and the bar has never been open. So I do think it's to do with season. If it's busy, if the hotel is fully booked, then they'll open it. If it's not, then it's quite closed. But you can see the pool down here, a nice view of the pool. You've also got the view going towards outside Flamingo Suites. That's a royal suite. This here is a royal suite. If you stay this side, you possibly get a sea view, and the side ones as well, you possibly get a sea view. However, these ones, you don't get a view, and I will show you that very soon. You get a pool view, so you get a view of the pool, you just don't get a view of the sea or anything like that. But look at this, a wee quick look. The balconies, look at the size of the balconies. Now that's the bottom floor, That's floor 1. That is floor 2, which that's the one I'm staying in, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But for now, let me know what you think in the comments. Would you stay here? Would you consider staying here? Wait till I show you the room before you make up your mind. I will tell you though, and I will tell you how much I paid for this. You will be shocked because I got a bargain deal to stay here. It's usually quite expensive to stay here, and I'll tell you how much I paid for this place. So we are in room 202. We're going to head in, have a wee look around. So this is a suite, 1 apartment suite, really nice, boutique, as I told you at the very start, really nice. You got a TV, you got some shelving in there, mostly glasses, so if you want to have some glassy wine, you can help yourself. Telephone with the menu. It is room service as well, I bet you didn't know that. Some information about the hotel. Wi-Fi also, yeah, Wi-Fi password. It is really good Wi-Fi, really good Wi-Fi. Seating area, table, a wee seat in the corner, and aircon in the living room. Fantastic. There's another aircon in the bedroom as well. This works perfectly. It keeps the room chilled. Really nice. I will show you outside very soon. But we're going to check out the kitchen now. Put your key card in here. You got your lights. I don't know what this is. I have not got a clue what this is whatsoever. I believe it's touch screen or whatever it does. I have no idea. So your kitchen area, everything you need. Microwave, kettle, toaster, if you want to cook, self-catering, and you can do some washing as well. And you've got a fridge here. You get free water. We've not used it. But you get free 2 bottles of water and a big massive one, plus a free bottle of champagne, or it will be probably, cheap fizzy wine or something like that. They make it out to be champagne, but it's not. You get that free. And yeah, nice spacious area. Everything's separate, which is nice. It's like a homely feel in here, to be fair. So we're going to walk around here to the bathroom. Let's walk around. The bathroom is on the right hand side here. A nice, spacious bathroom. You've got the toilet. You've got the sink and mirror. Nice taps, hot and cold. Soap. And then you've got some shampoo, shower gel, all in wee bottles. You've got your towels. You get some towels down here also. Hair dryer. And then your shower area. This shower is amazing. It's a rain shower. And then you've got the other attachments as well. Absolutely fantastic shower. Absolutely fantastic. Only one wee slight thing that they could do to make it better is because you've got these wee bottles of shampoo, they could put a shelf in here. So a shelf in the corner, like here, to store them, because every time you go for a shower, you're going to have to come round here and put the bottle on this wee ledge. Or you have to come round here and grab it from here. So, recommendations to the hotel: put a shelf in the showers so we can store our bath stuff and shampoo and stuff like that. So, we're going to check out the bedroom now. One of the most important places to check out. The bedroom. So this is the bedroom area. Massive king-size bed. Very comfortable. 2 lamps at the side. That's the only power supply. So if you want anything to plug in, bring an adapter. But you can just unplug that, to be fair. You get slippers as well. Free slippers. A nice mirror makeup area for all you women out there. Some nice wee place you can sit and do your makeup. Aircon. Got aircon in here also, which is fantastic. It does make a difference when the 2 rooms are covered with aircon. And in here, you've got your safe. This is a good safe. It's free. with booking it, no extra charge, and you just type in your number and you close it, and then when you want to open it, type in your number, press A, and you open it, and then you've got access to the safe, and then you've got shelving here, and then you've got a big massive iron in here, ironing board, and then you can store your clothes here. So a lot of storage space, very, very boutique, very nice, unusual to your normal hotels here in Tenerife, but I think this is what this place is all about. A different class, but it's nicely clean. Nice tiles as well. Check out the tiles. You think they're dirty, but they're not. That's the design. Really, really nice. So we're going to check outside now, because this is absolutely stunning. So open these doors. Wow. Remember I told you about the space up here? How big the balcony is. Check out this massive balcony area. It's humongous. Absolutely humongous. You've even got 2 beds up here to relax. You don't even need to leave the room, unless you want to go down to the pool, which I will show you just now. The view of the pool. There you go, the heated pool. Absolutely beautiful, very deep. You can see how deep it is here. And then you've got a shallow end for the kids. And the plants are lovely. The plants are real. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But it's a lovely, lovely, lovely apartment. And this makes it even better because you can relax, get a beer in the fridge. You don't even need to leave your room. And you could argue you get a wee bit of a sea view. Over here you can see the sea. So you get a wee bit of a sea view, but if you're looking for views with your room, this is not for you. But if you're looking for a bit of quiet space, this place is beautiful. And we will talk about the price I paid in a very second, and I'll tell you some other things as well that you might want to know. But let me know in the comments what you think. Would you stay here? Does this balcony make it worth it or not? Let me know. So what do you think of this place then? I've shown you the pool, I've shown you the lobby, I've shown you the room, I've shown you this massive balcony. Let me know in the comments what you think. Regarding price, I paid €440 for 3 nights to stay here, which is a bargain, considering it was going to cost an extra £1,000 to stay an extra 4 nights. We are actually moving hotel today because it was cheaper to book 3 nights and 4 nights in another hotel than staying a week here. This hotel is very, very pricey. You don't see it come up that cheap quite a lot. I got a bargain. It was still a wee bit pricey to some people because it's not bed and breakfast, it's just self-catering. But we've had a fantastic time staying here. It's absolutely beautiful. The balcony is incredible. The fact that we can just lie here and relax, I mean, it's perfect. The pool is heated as well, which makes it even better. You can go for a late night swim if you want. I think the pool's open until 8 or 9. But it's very quiet as well. You notice down there's only like 3 or 4 people sunbathing. The sun, unfortunately, doesn't come out all day. That's the thing. As you can see now, the sun is out, but it's not hitting any of the pool area. You know what I mean? It's not as good as big hotels. Because it's such a small hotel, the sun doesn't come as much. It comes in the morning and leaves in the afternoon. You probably get about 4 hours of basically sunshine, depending where you are. We're here. The sun just went away just now, but there'll be other shadow areas and there might be lighter areas. But you can decide based on this video if you want to stay here or not. A couple of things that I don't agree on. Accessibility. Wheelchair accessibility. So anyone with a mobility issue or wheelchair, someone who's disabled, accessibility is really, really bad. There's no lift, there's no ramps, there's no accessible rooms, there's nothing. So I really think the hotel should get their finger out and make it more accessible, because there's things that they could do to make it more accessible. There's a couple of rooms that they could make accessible. There's definitely an entrance at the side that they can make into a ramp. They could put a lift at the front to make it more accessible for people coming up with a ramp. There's definitely things that could be done to make this more open to people with accessibility needs. I think all hotels these days, in this day and age, should be making more a sensible approach when it comes to disability. Back in the UK, we've got all sorts of rules. Here, you know what I mean, it's a wee bit different. It is an old hotel, you know what I mean, it is a boutique hotel. The clientele is kind of You know what I mean? It varies, but obviously people with disabilities can't stay here. So you can let me know in the comments what you think about that. Would I stay here again? 100% if I get it for the right price. That's the thing. Would I pay over 300 quid to stay here a night? No chance. I wouldn't pay it. I mean, if you want somewhere quiet, away from screaming kids and somewhere to relax, somewhere in a nice location, this is the place you need to come. But if you're looking for that party, can relax by the pool, sports and can activities taking place by the pool, your pool bar, yeah, that's the place you need to go. There's no bars open here, everything's self-catering. There is a bar, but I don't know when that opens. I've been here 3 nights and it's never opened once. So yeah, you can bring your own drink by the pool, you can eat by the pool, I believe there's no rules on eating. So yeah, there might be a rule on eating, sorry, I do apologise, but there might be a rule on that. But yeah, what do you think of the hotel? Let me know. But I hope you enjoyed this tour around the Flamingo Suites in Costa Adeje. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click that bell for notifications, and I've got more fantastic videos coming up on the channel, so make sure you tune in. Take care. Bye bye, my friends.